All right, so now we're gonna target the quads. They are made up of 4 muscles, so we will need to kind of change our angles when we are targeting each one individually. So we'll start off with kind of rolling both quads out at the same time. You can kind of get that tissue nice and supple here, and then even if you want to add a little degree of tension, you can flex the knees. But when we're targeting one leg at a time, you can place the other foot just kind of outside of the roller here. And when you are working up nice and high, getting that rec fem, it does attach or originate onto the hip bone there. So when you are getting nice and high, just be careful not to put too much pressure on those bony structures. And you can turn the leg inside, outside, a little cross friction action, and work a little bit of that VMO by rotating the femur all the way up and down that muscle. Make sure to control your roll, breathing through it. And when you are getting nice and close to the knee, again, try not to put too much pressure closer to the patella and where those tendons insert